In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you take data from PlayerMaker units worn in games and upload directly to the CoachLogic video analysis platform. This is done by simply importing and syncing an XML file, but is particularly useful for users that don't use desktop video analysis software, so we can upload our data directly from PlayerMaker to the web to share with our coaches and players. So let's take a look. So once I've uploaded my game to CoachLogic, I can see here that I've got my movie, my tagging panel on the right hand side, and the timeline of the game that I can scrub across at the bottom. In order to bring in a timeline to this movie, I simply go to the settings cog, select import timeline, and then navigate to the file. I can also drag and drop the selected timeline onto this area and select upload. And now you can see that I've got this new timeline uploaded. As a user, I now have two options. I can either use the default blank timeline, which every CoachLogic user gets, or I can navigate to the tab over here and select the timeline that I've imported. And you can see, if I drag my screen up, we have all of the data available for our players. If I need to adjust the start time of this timeline, I simply right-click on the timeline itself, and I can either nudge my clips forwards or backwards in time here, or I can hold the red bar and drag the video to the point where I want it to start. Once I'm happy with where the video is, select save and I'll be good to go. I can either use the clips as a viewer, so I can click on a player's name, select their clips and scroll through them. I can search for all of the data that PlayerMaker provides here. From a physical and a technical context are all within here, and we can search for those. Or I can use the matrix viewer here. So by clicking on this tab, I can now navigate across the timeline to pick out any of the physical and technical data within the PlayerMaker XML, and I can find my name on the left hand side and select the clips with the corresponding data to watch.